Head to blogger.com. Then click Sign In. It'll redirect you to a page you have to sign into your Google account. After you've logged in, you'll be redirected to this page. If you haven't created your Blogger profile, it may be different but not too much. Don't worry about it. Then click Create Blog. Now give the name of your blog. Then give the address of your website. And click Save. Congratulations! You've just created your first website. It's pretty ugly though. But that's no big deal. We're here to make it the Miss Internet. Let's do this thing. Click Theme. Then click this arrow and then click Edit HTML. Now open the XML file that I've put in the description. You can open it in Notepad or TextEdit if you don't have an IDE. Then select it all and copy it. Now select all of the code here and replace it with the code that you copied from the XML file. Now click this Save button and it'll save our theme. It's saved successfully. Let's preview our princess now. That's hot. Oh look. It's got the thing. Nice. Let's keep it dark. Now, we need to configure all of this. We don't need this logo here. We're gonna make our own and put that one on here. Then these menus, and we'll also write some posts because it's also empty just like our lives. And then also change these links at the bottom. It's a shorter than long but longer than short journey that we'll venture in less than a lifetime. Let's head to the Blogger parlor. Click Layout. Let's start with changing that logo. Open the folder that you downloaded from the link in the description. Then open up the image folder. And open the logo with your favorite photo editor, Photoshop. And now follow these steps. If you have an idea of using Photoshop, it'll be easy. I hope you do. Now click the Edit button. Scroll down and select Upload from your computer. Now select the logo that you saved. And click Open. Wait for it to upload and then save it. Let's reload to see if things got better or what. Well, that's disappointing. Alright. We need to copy the image address and update that as well. Follow my lead and see where that takes you. Right-click the image and then copy image address. Now replace the link in the URL section with this address. Click Save. Do the same for the section in the footer. Let's reload again and see what we've landed ourselves at. Well, that's not very bad at all, folks. Now, we're going to change our main menu in the header. Click this pencil button. And this recent keyword is basically the label that we'll give our blog posts, and this element will get all those posts here. You can change it or leave it like this. Now we'll change the drop-down menu. Follow these steps carefully. Make sure that you don't delete the underscore in the beginning of the name. This underscore means that it's inside the main menu. Then these two underscores mean that they're further inside a menu. Don't delete them either if you want a nested menu like this. And replace the URL with hash. We will change this later. And I'll delete the underscore before contact us link and it'll come out of the drop-down. We'll change the URL later. You can add more items or hit save. Now we're gonna change the links in the footer. But let's first make these ad banners invisible because we're monetized yet. You can make them visible later. Don't worry. I'll fast forward. Now as you can see, they're all gone and it looks much cleaner. Now, let's change these social links. You can add your Facebook page links. YouTube channel, or you can just remove it if you want. Now let's change the other links in the footer. It's go just the same as we done them in the header main menu. Initializing fast forward. Now, let's change this text. This could be your intro or what you do on your blog. We can change it from this gadget. Now changing the footer links. They're also the same as before. Just put a hash in the URL section and hit save. And you should leave the credit gadget visible because it's giving the credit to the developer of this template. It helps them grow. After a refreshing refresh, things look like they finally belong to us. In the next part, we're gonna create posts and add URLs to buttons and whatnot. There will be more customization in the following part. You can find the link to that part in the description. Subscribe for more. That helps a lot. Toothbrush.